ENGIE has committed to be net zero carbon by 2045 by reducing and offsetting the direct and indirect emissions from our own activities and from our value chain.
Behind me you have a mobile pilot, carbon capture pilot. Carbon capture is a technological brick that consists in separating selectively CO2 from the flue gas, and this CO2 can then be used or stored. Post-combustion carbon capture, it's a technological brick that you only add behind the combustion process. The flue gas will come into contact in the system with what we call a solvent, which is really a chemical that will capture selectively CO2 that can be retrieved afterwards. This pilot is located in a Knippegroen power plant in Gand, Belgium. This power plant is producing energy from the combustion of blast furnace gas from the steel production.
Now, due to this, we have here at our stack a continuous flow of flue gases with a high concentration of CO2, more or less 25%. By mixing these flue gases with ambient air, we're able to replicate the emissions that we have at our other power plants or even at the installations of our customers.
This project is part of a research program on carbon capture, where we studied the best technology, understand the constraints, the technological challenges of this technology, the economics. And after years of modeling, paper study, we are now ready to test and demonstrate the technology on the field. The mobile capture unit has been designed to fit in 2 containers because we want really to be able to move it from one side to the other, because the objective is to test in real conditions with real flue gas. For example, when coupled with thermal power plants that need to operate flexible way to answer to the electricity demand, we need really to understand the impact of this flexible operation on capture rate, emissions, performance of carbon capture. The test will take place until end 2026, and afterwards, then the mobile capture unit is available for testing on other sites, such as for cement industry or waste incinerators.
New technologies like green gases and carbon capture show great potential to help decarbonize our activities, as well as certain industrial sectors that cannot be easily electrified. And that is why ENGIE invests in research and development here in Belgium into these promising technologies for a decarbonized economy.